right there. Where it's all smooth right there.
Yes, the pipe.
Okay.
I think it's the pipe that goes through.
Wait, can we touch the water?
If you want to.
That rock bounced off of the one rock and almost hit me. We can touch the water to put that down.
You guys are funny.
Don't let go to walk towards me.
You said don't throw the rocks towards me. You said you found a big dude. You're crazy. Hey, watch where you stand. You guys are funny. You guys are hilarious. I guess. You guys are crazy. You guys are nuts. Dude, you do that all crazy. That was funny. Okay, no, don't throw more rocks, okay? Just throw that one and that's it. Just go ahead and throw that one in. There's too many rocks. Okay. You guys can play in the water if you want. If you want to, go ahead. If you want to. I don't know, dry.
Yeah, I like my comfort. I'm not sitting in wet socks.
You want to try to throw it that way? Go ahead, throw it. See if you can throw it. All right. Oh man. Just pay attention. Make sure you keep your arms out for balance. So in case you fall, make sure your arms are out. And watch out, because some will be slippery. I said watch out, because some of it will be slippery. So make sure when you step, don't be stepping too far or anything. Like step underneath your feet, underneath your body, so you don't be stepping too far.
And I can't swim. Why am I going deep in the water?
I have no clue.